Adwuma, welcome.
That's it,
Dear Nekoso.
Boko, Bibia, da Boko.
Bibia da Boko. I like your new hairstyle.
Yeah. Say bad boys are around town. Kaka.
What you say? Then I'm all decided so when you say.
This year my hair no degree. I mean, back on it was a face, and as human being, you're quite in my system. So I just decided that they say they may switch yaba. I'm changing. You evolve.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Into when we grow no longer, and I say it's going to be dread like this.
Me too long. Yes, and we are Rasta and so they have their own culture and everything. So
Okay.
I'll just maintain it.
Maintain like this,
Yeah.
But this year, dear, I say ya na yebe huno.
I say ya na yebe huno.
Yenye good boy ni bim.
Debbie, yenye good boy bim.
That's what we can bad boy ahe.
Oh.
You are ready for the bad boy adventures?
Yeah.
Are you ready for the girls? Because girls they pay bad boys. What you say?
I didn't know pay bad boys.
Yeah. You see who the woman? You see who? Yeah. You see who? What is it? I say. You say explore.
Girls, but we will learn together.
So
we'll explore together.
You are ready. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Many returns.
Then of course, so she said this song is a banger. It's a banger.
Straight.
And it's different from what you normally do. Then I was saying, what's changed?
I don't know what's happening here on this song. And Kwame chemistry. It's both me and Kwame. So
exactly.
That's why we are having that different feel. It's like the different worlds. We merged the scene, and that's why we are having something different and lovely.
Audience need to say.
It's great. It's great. The streams, the numbers. I think currently we are number 1 on Boomplay Ghana as well. So it's doing well. Until
you're going to be doing this type of journey, and I say you go back to your old self. Because you say you're a rapper.
Yeah, rapper. I'm a rapper. Nothing takes that away from it. And
nobody's going to change it.
That, yeah. And yeah, more of collaboration and venturing into other people's world this year.
This year, you're expecting more of collaboration like that.
Collaboration.
Okay, family so.
And
collaborations.
Yeah.
And so far, this is when we are recording, and I said there are a couple of songs I want to release here.
Oh yeah, I have songs. My year is already planned out.
What okay,
I'm doing,
is beautiful.
I mean, you have your draft board. Don't even say me free hand. I may call her this year. And see, it's already planned out. And see, yeah, but. We if one idea no benyo modi rappers no so benyo
modi you best serve will be accordingly
pepe
na just see new year anymore oh yeah new year resolution
yeah
be
yeah now me new year resolution I'm here and say me plan I'm here for the year. Okay, I'm doing this. Maybe last year I released without feel like without saying restrictions like okay, this is what I'm doing after this.
Don't feel it's over now, yeah.
But this year we are sticking to the plan.
What should I timetable?
Yeah, timetable.
Then yes, I say uncle like freestyling build like you have to plan your year. Then design. What changed?
It's part of venturing into new things, growing and wanting to be responsible and time yourself, timing on and see. I think I just want to try this out to see how it works out as well.
Let's just say this year, yeah. So why you on near my list nice. We can't talk once or so because
I don't understand. Need now plan no more.
Hey,
say
planning talk 2024.
They won't planning talk about within your schedule. No plan. They say okay in case free schedule be bad now. They are for Hanum. And kind of some of being called and finish what the free now.
Oh no, we can't talk. No, just say oh yeah, calendar no. Would you acquaint to?
I was all Jack. No, we are not wishing for bad energy or and talk about and so by all means, never say would you space my unexpected. Yeah.
Oh calendar you're going to see that. What just space that all is. Oh, I can't show you say more occupy space in talk about
young cost space.
But of course, and you beef be a negative.
Yeah, and you be a negative. And you be answer now be fee. Yeah, it's not every beef that as a musician you jump into. Sometimes it's hard though because if you are about power person about team, you have a plan.
Okay.
Team in person obey. You need to pay. Sometimes Obia was on say Obia say okay, reply no. Then it's go time.
beef in this we go back to back and drainy and won't get it tired like beef boa. When you saw reply one no what that baby now the for back.
No the for back. And then it's draining and who the artist that you are no wa hunting.
Then to back out you're not who you are now.
No, you're not who you are. E bin so onyame boa na say bia will reply now man and what to a point say any pan to me. I'll do it your and you are good. You don't have to reply the person anymore because
okay, if I say my 1-1. No, so the for back. If your one is still stronger than his 2, you leave it like that.
You leave it like that. One here now waka say what that one.
Old one no.
Waka say na too. You just leave it like that.
Beef ni bo I am planning na.
No, they make me plan. I think my say for planning but me planning with that.
Then I'm more planning. On person or more
more attention, that's attention but also any over now the attention. And see, I think that's why people plan beef.
Because personally I think so to feel now obitin feel now more to talk more as a more exchange US a bit to me at an boxing and castle. Because a boy to make come me am meeting charity boy when you consider it nice.
Enter.
I don't know for choosing such PSN words to say to a fellow. I didn't hear.
Sent to Kwana until Bibia do you bow a man no. That's what people will do. What the hokranere into our dream.
Inti say more kosa intensive beef nuya. Mushia, how do you relate to each other?
Sometimes you let it depends on the kind of music goes back to your personal life. It depends on the kind of person you are. Maybe a person without even aside music, no. You are somebody that Usonia Mamuche and also Jenia Mamu. Your personal life. We will be Usonia Mamucha. I'm not sure that when you go into a beef you can ever like the other artists anymore. Because we have a shan will be a life who cook it or being so on ma or Jania Mamuntem. You just let it go and maybe I wish Shani Panana Nipanuni will be cool.
It's when you be a beef and I cap like in real life that.
In real life.
To say more internet so be changing audio senior day. My beef audio sama each other. We share na bontown na nice than I say.
So far no me so far in my career nipa ba ko pe no after beefing no me share and yes me ni na beefing po ko keka me ho nsam o kasa basa on Twitter. Okay. O share me in person na me man feel na me fa no ho cause na na fofo pa.
Oh.
But o kasa sa no me share in person na me fa no cross no be say what's up I dey na o share me man say na say na o Twitter keka no me hu. And see about the Zana Felicia Osei in person now. What can we in or yeah, also sometimes no fans no more my Akuma banner. So it depends.
Now why?
Oh, me boss at dinner. Me promoting me. Ebia, what got it? I'm with
producer. I have my wife. Call Lyrical Joe. No. Inti so ni amado ntem to saying.
Cool.
Bronya mushia
Debbie.
Because
most time I mean actually Bronya we half of the time I mean ni Accra.
No ni Accra.
Na you could travel video am enter.
Okay. Enter video no I've seen it. It's beautiful. Before you call enter video no. Only amado dey na say na like internet keke na nothing personal.
Personal there. I mean injini say beef be no any personal because even your plan cry.
It to me personal.
People cause e be am plan say mo be beef but na ni pana ko can be bia Arabi with the wrong way. I bet you. See, but obviously every beef is personal, but it depends on the two artists. If they let it go, they let it go. Oh, so moons and also. By media, I do it. I move on. I let it go.
Me know I can like we are done. We are done. And I believe so. When you be a beef, and I say, if you have intentions on talking to me again, you shouldn't say things too personal to me. Talking to you be difficult because people how want to me on looky. Like me who are sana kind like a good man to say no we any paboni. As what plan me who asem that answer right time now the mom.
Yeah.
Me who enter video no.
But we visualizer or main video buy.
Main video buy.
No, buy. This is a visualizer.
Video and visualizer and difference between the woman.
Visualizer is once they say music has moved into a space of more of visuals, audio visuals, and the accounting. Sometimes, main video ninja ready, you are able to shoot a viral type of video not going out too much or not too much of a
like
budget.
On a low budget.
Now all they are putting the music out. So that's what this one is. That's just a visualizer.
But I don't know monkey p if it's good for the audience. I don't know monkey p visualizer and this and I'm go extreme. I could say sky video be.
Oh, video they went to me. It's music, and I was also making your intentions to promote it so real. Also because Numa. Even the audio now 5 years, I was all making sure say when the audios are winning award, the music video of that song too is winning awards.
Okay, for awards sake, and for quality sake.
For quality sake, because if your stations be so or in and outside your country, I was almost to me ball video. They need to see the heaviness of the investment out there too. Yeah. Sometimes and you be all cry to me cut down that video now sanso reviving it. So yeah.
I can imagine a course of pan because to me who you be share that but video na no share.
We have video in now baby and then you knock out him.
No crap, no crap. But entire one of the songs are uti out him.
Yeah, count.
I say whoa on man I say what and it's easy to learn.
Yeah.
Then I'm here TikTok and I'm so this is an easy song.
To yeah.
And a rapper every day man na. You're going to play for the listener. You're going to play for the listeners to also listen. Therefore, many Lyrical Joe and your bonko. We are tuned into 95.1 FM. It's our live over Facebook. Enter no and a bon on Kwame Eugene, a new song artist is here promoting. And no, I am man and then I need DJ Fenage. You have a bono.
Somebody stylish, see just the enter. Overseas, they conquer. As we did enter every corner, every chamber. Oluwade for we making money, January to December. Yawa no day for we. Hey, learned many things, now it's graduation. We enter the new year with preparation, Kwame. I wasn't getting played on air, now I'm radioactive like radiation. So basically, I'm spiritually inclined and I don't relate to evil body. And me and God had a DNA test, result came, I'm the son. Biologically, we enter.
Now today, what's say me and God had a DNA, I'm his son.
Result came.
I'm his son, biologically. No, wow, oh wow. Hey.
Enter. Overseas we don't they conquer as we dey enter corner every chamber. Oluwade for we making money January to December. Yawa no day for we. I put down 4 too far from 3. We are chilling with Adam and Eve. Wavy, we are over that sea. No R. Kelly, we don't want P too fly. Terminal 3, we are passporting. Step with us or you escorting. We update, you and your escorting. Media to form. Akatata. We fall from heaven like manana. Only who you go be hosanana. Dope like cook, no fantatata. Chale ya badada.
No. Sanko eche finance so ko hobi sa rap chire o ka crave no why do you never say no coke fanta tata we making money me boy boy cry o say nkan mama wa say ya wa no dey for we what I say God will buy man na ne ade akutia ne na yin say bibia we assorted rice bibia cocktail
and one no
This song is so beautiful.
Yes,
this song is so beautiful. So BTL say this is different from what he does. And I like what you did say only rock star
you drop one banger.
And you're not trying to be a banger, do you know?
Yes, uti crampon a banger kakuma. The first day I heard this song because with and I say yeah, that's it.
Until you would throw a part and then you called him and
what happened was maybe the new from man, I was like, oh, let's work on this song. No, I said, okay, he'll get back to me. So I think within a week time, I'll get it back to me. I said, oh, it's a beautiful song we can do with bat. I say, I was like, okay, I'm open to ideas. So and that was somewhere December. So I'll catch him so already. I'll be my mom and studio until me or ready now. I'm a core studio. And when I went to the studio, he had already worked on the beat and the chorus. So I watched me. Boy, me tea and just first listen and I say, okay, this is it. So then Anna means me throw my verses.
Oh, just like that.
Yeah, then Anna means me. So it was a free, easy flow. Then I me tea and Anna means me throw my verses.
Let's just say all the quiet no cry. Man, should I know you?
There be a new Hujuma. We na Hujuma.
Beautiful.
Yeah, very nice.
Just like that.
You and yes na. In your can't drop December we by was a could video neighbor.
Oh.
See we flew out to South Africa for the video.
Video no keke no. And I'm watching you. Video no keke no go try. And I'm buying. When I guess in the choir na. And I'm when I guess no.
I say oh, coffee and now dynamic. We South Africa how no money guess doors from hop and you know.
So you had the more Fabia from play now. Then the motivating mom coffee guess or my who be ha.
Say anka ye twa organ anka ye the girls.
Some want me the aqua could chan ho.
Hey, we be a plane tickets and easy eska. So we just go there and we budget everything there. Now you have a different environment for the video, how it should look and all that. Okay. And so far it's a very beautiful video. It will be coming out soon. Okay.
Tini South Africa. Girls no money momo that Dana say buy and na mo kofa won buy.
Baby na artist in there we don't know the girls so. I say baby abakobia you have a
representative,
a set manager no onya sankofo ni nyina so we personally we don't know them.
You don't know?
No, the girls, no.
Only mo be heading.
A business.
Only mo be heading. Mo ntwa pictures.
Oh, you try.
Mo posti.
Oh, you be video no.
But some we are mo twa be posti. I say chele with the girls. Mo be use ah.
And the no so wo ho no mo. E chi obi ama na to nwom ne bi wo ho no mo na mo nso mo twa promo. Me nyina ka ho.
And my Adwuma was so.
Na ya ba set na ye be twa video ye chi obi a nso be to bi. Na they are pushing you.
They're pushing you. This is interesting, pa. Not just say nyum to na konto nyina aka ho.
Ni nyina aka.
Hey. Na bo ne da wan ko hebi.
Celebrities is will be a TikToker so omo
ma bra ma hwe.
Aha.
Omo Germany o guys. Ne celebrity ede.
Enye desa.
Ade de na man enye de.
Stress na woman na de enye easy.
Na say fans.
Oh, utimi hu bi wa TV so. Actually, what TV so pass so reality no usu.
Bra na ni bra bre. Ututu kan bo no anko hwebi.
Bo no. Ko bi crank by this time you just say me back.
Na
ni amwa yi.
Ade na kan banka usu.
Heart attack ko be wan say.
Na wo hopes say e be qualify. Can no crack.
No.
Oh you no kwafo pa o. You are an honest person.
Me I like to say it's how it is plain. From the first game I didn't feel like say
they will even go on.
We had that much chance. And so yeah, one goal winners. Yes. Maybe one goal were dangerous because it's very easy to outdo.
They say yeah, the trader.
Two cry now.
Into the first match, and I was say no way, like
too much goals enter.
Into that night, yeah, last match when anyone never. Mozambique. Yeah, ball first 45 minutes now. Share goal.
No for more because 2 goals no. Na fe your hopes need that say.
What they call me that they uncle mum.
Me they na uncle mada.
Okay.
The manager no be. Ono be can say. Yeah, 2 goals no. I mean say hey. Yeah, 1, yeah, 2. What I mean say yeah, they have done it. He enter.
Until I don't do hopes to cry there. I don't never back.
Nanka me pese me train nanka football ni we na ya push enter. Na me yes ha mistake na. Ka broken heart microphone tie nyum no. So
Anka wo twen Ghana qualifier.
Nanka ye di enter abam. Hey.
Oh yeah lucky. Na ye den afede o sesa wadwini.
Every ka say wo di enye hwe ye mfa start say Ghana kwa na ye di omo akọ. Anko nso anyum na abadada. Ya abadada.
Escorting, we update you and your escorting. Media to from Akatata. We fall from heaven like manana. Only who we go.
Hosanna.
Dope like cook no.
Fanta tata.
And ya badada.
Yeah. Ya badada. Lyrical Joe. Interview. Yeah, kasasa.
Hey.
Lyrical Joe.
Oh, my boss.
What you see? Interview need a very. How was it? Did you have fun?
Yeah, it's fun and I mean free flow.
What you say?
Yeah, we are centered around the music as well. So
major topic music.
Yeah.
Music. Food to the soul. Lyrical Joe, your final words.
I want to tell you, if you're already supporting, God bless you. If you are new to supporting too, Let's keep supporting. Enter is out. Lyrical Joe featuring Kwame Eugene out on all DSPs. Just go type Lyrical Joe featuring Kwame. You find currently we are number 1 on Boomplay. Let's keep pushing it. Music video also coming out. Thank you, Lyrical Republic. Stand up.
Yeah, me sure. Obama motivation and New Year now. Baby.
New Year no agree. Let's go for it. Let's enter. The motivational word for the year is enter. Enter the doors that you never entered. But don't enter any room that you're not supposed to enter. Don't. Actually, enter that country you want to enter. Enter somebody's relationship. Enter money. Enter church. And just enter.
Somebody's relationship.
Enter mosque. And they've been single for too long, so it's not good.
Oh, you're single also, Joby boy.
Enter somebody's relationship.
Into what girl to how would you feel?
It's an open platter. The fact that you are dating, even married people can crossover. The fact that you are dating the person doesn't mean saying conform and try. They will try to enter. You can kick them out. Hey, nobody they give anybody.
And your motivation gets well.
Enter the car you want to enter.
Enter everywhere. Enter everywhere. Thank you so much for passing through.
Welcome.
It has been an honor having you on the show.
Yeah.
You can come by anytime you want to come. Yeah, that's it.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,